It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. There is nothing which can better deserve our patronage than the promotion of science and literature. Knowledge is in every country the surest basis of public happiness. If freedom of speech is taken away, then dumb and silent we may be led, like sheep to the slaughter. Human happiness and moral duty are inseparably connected. I hope I shall possess firmness and virtue enough to maintain what I consider the most enviable of all titles, the character of an honest man. Guard against the impostures of pretended patriotism. It is better to be alone than in bad company. Labor to keep alive in your breast that little spark of celestial fire called conscience. "99% of failures come from people who make excuses." A sensible woman can never be happy with a fool. Happiness depends more upon the internal frame of a person's own mind than on the externals in the world. Experience teaches us that it is much easier to prevent an enemy from posting themselves than it is to dislodge them after they have got possession. The harder the conflict, the greater the triumph. Worry is the interest paid by those who borrow trouble. The turning point of our lives are not the great moments. The real crises are often concealed in occurrences so trivial in appearance that they pass unobserved. I conceive a knowledge of books is the basis upon which other knowledge is to be built. Paper money has had the effect in our state that it will ever have to ruin commerce, oppress the honest, and open the door to every species of fraud and injustice. We must consult our means rather than our wishes. Real men despise battle, but will never run from it. To persevere in one's duty and be silent is the best answer to calumny. Discipline is the soul of an army. It makes small numbers formidable, procures success to the weak, and esteem to all. Let your heart feel for the afflictions and distress of everyone. We should not look back unless it is to derive useful lessons from past errors and for the purpose of profiting by dearly bought experience. There is nothing so likely to produce peace as to be well prepared to meet the enemy. Be not glad at the misfortune of another, though he may be your enemy. I hold the maxim, no less applicable to public than to private affairs, that honesty is always the best policy. Strive not with your superiors in argument, but always submit your judgment to others with modesty. I'll die on my feet before I'll live on my knees. Decision-making, like coffee, needs a cooling process.